This is Thursday morning, and David, Roxanne, and Jody and I are looking for cows. Once we gather them, then we'll be taking them back to the weekends. David's giving some tips on how to keep horses connected because they're all a little bit frisky.
She can't stand to be alone.
Well, instead of David, not David's horse, just John's. Yeah, he's real prancy, and Riata is too. You can tell that. But anyway, all for now. Well, we didn't find any cows. We had to check all the treat areas. So we come back, and here they are. Found the cattle and brought us in the creek. Water's high. There's been quite a bit of rain.
Ground a dozen times or more.
Okay, this is our morning haul.
Cussing 'cause I'd just been through all the way back to the old brown double barn door. But I loved him anyway, and I wouldn't trade a single day. I'm riding for
We're taking them down to the sorting pen.
The wind in his long gold mane was the only thing that kept me sane. The only way today that a cowboy can survive. Equine. There's a fire burning in me still, and a cold hard iron will to get back on no matter how hard I fall. And I think of them days sometimes to ease my troubled mind. Every time my back's up against the wall. There's one tired old painter, he's a little less kin than king. I see the hesitation in his eyes. I lift a little saddle on, he kicks them in the sides and they're gone. Lord, I can't believe how the years roll by. And how I love that little boy, riding high like Gene and Roy, fading like a hero into that western sun. The wind in his thick gold hair, I close my eyes for a moment, I'm there. The only way today that a cowboy can survive. Equine. Equine. Equine.
Okay, this is Friday morning, and this is the group. It's breezy, probably in the 50s right now. A little overcast, but we've got sun too. Tonight it's supposed to get around in the 30s.
Show me
Anyway,
the
no more later.
ways of horsemen, rope halter, snaffle, and boselle. Screw me down tight on the buckers. I wanna ride this colt through hell. Tell me the rough rider's secrets. How to 911 your lad to go, to across her feet in a tussle. When to hang on, when to let go. You are a modern contradiction. You hold to the ways of yesterday. You woolly buckaroo, I wish I was you. You say all there is to say with a whisper. Soft-mouthed and always looking for you. I see obedience in her eye. Her ears are ever leaning forward between the desert and the sky. With a fancy wild rag around your neck, jingle bobs are singing out a tune. Just you and her until the sun sets here upon the far Hawaii moon. You are a modern contradiction. You hold to the ways of yesterday. You woolly buckaroo, I wish I was you. You say all there is to say with a whisper. Show me the ways of horsemen, rope halter, snaffle, and bosel. Teach me the rough rider's secrets. I wanna ride this colt through hell.
Go right to it. Go right to it. I'm telling you, that's it.
I think I saw a cloud yesterday. Hung around a minute and it just blew away. It's another identical day. Only thing not telling a lie is the wind. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again. All signs fail in a dry spell.
All right, fine. 60-pound cow that way.
Don't look to the sky. He's got nothing to tell. But there are cracks in the ground. Run straight to hell. Maybe we're paying for our sins. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again. Born to ride rock. Well, the water used to flow. Remember how fast it ran and how high it rose. Now that creek bed is empty as a dead man's grave, waiting for the wake to begin. Old gambler Crow sitting on a fence line, looking at me like he could read my mind. He says this country's gonna pick you clean every time, leave you twisting in the wind. dead man's clothes, waiting for the wake to begin. I think I saw a cloud yesterday. Hung around a minute, then it just blew away. It's another identical dusty day. Only thing not telling a lie is the wind. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again. We're all twisted in the wind. I don't believe it's ever gonna rain again.
George, hit the rock.
Being a cowboy and loving cowboy ways, pursuing the life of my high-ride road. I burned up my child.
Don't touch it. You let your horse commit the wrong if that calf does it for you.
I burned
He did it for you, checked her out.
I'm a modern-day drifter. Don't you hold on to nothing too long. Just take what you need from the latest
There it is, baby.
with the world.
There's one right behind you. That one went down. Take that one.
My hero.
Oh my gosh, where did we go?
Always been cowboy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I gotta go back to the herd.
Still on
Back to the herd. To the herd. Oh, that's not a second.
sad.
Stop going.
One step
Now go.
themselves
Now go.
and they're slow.
Check that horse up or you just be chasing.
Cowboys are special with their own brand of misery from being alone too long. You could die from the cold in the arms of a nightmare, knowing well that your best days are gone. Picking up hookers instead of my pen, I let the words of my youth fade away. Old worn out saddles and old worn out memories, but no one and no place to stay. My heroes have always been cowboys, and they still are, it seems. Sadly in search of, and one step and back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Sadly in search of, and one step and back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams.